In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Mailchimp in 2025. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, navigate to the Audience tab and select Surveys. This is where all the magic begins. Starting a survey in Mailchimp begins with having clear access to this section, and you can easily find it within the interface after logging in. Next, when you're on the Surveys page, you'll see a button at the top right that says Create New Survey. Give that a click. This will take you into the survey setup where all your creative juices can start flowing. Naming your survey is the next step, so go ahead and give it a clear and descriptive name that aligns with your purpose. Also, you'll need to select the audience segment you intend to gather responses from. This is critical because it ensures that your survey reaches the right people. Now, Mailchimp offers you the flexibility to either use a pre-made template or to craft your survey from scratch. If you're new to surveys, using a template like post-purchase or growth opportunities can be really helpful, as they provide a structured starting point with questions that are already related to common survey goals. But if you have a unique set of questions in mind, starting from scratch gives you the freedom to tailor every question to your specific needs. Speaking of questions, it's time to dive into adding them. Mailchimp provides various formats for adding questions such as multiple choice, a rating scale, open text responses, and even fun formats like emojis. Think about what kind of information you want to collect and choose the question types accordingly. Mixing various types can keep respondents engaged and can provide you with different insights. As you design your survey, don't forget to customize the visual aspects to align with your brand. This includes adjusting the colors, adding your logo, and selecting fonts that match your brand's identity. A well-designed survey boosts credibility and encourages more responses because it looks professional and trustworthy. Once you've set everything up and reviewed your survey, go ahead and click Save and Publish. At this point, your survey is live and ready to start collecting valuable input from your selected audience. The last step is to take the survey link provided and share it. You can distribute it through email, integrate it onto your website, or even promote it via social media to maximize reach. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a survey in Mailchimp for 2025. By following these steps, you can create a targeted and effective survey, capturing the insights you need to take your work to the next level. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying!